Okay, designers, check this out. This is so cool. So I'm going to open basically a pattern that I created in Midjourney for this. There's a few different versions, so I'm going to grab this one today. Um, I'm going to grab this, and what I've done is I created a canvas that's printable size, so that if I wanted to actually have this printed and added as a fabric material, etc., I can, and I can do like a little print file here. So I'm going to add that to this screen. Now over here, you might be defaulting to properties. You might see adjustments, but we're looking for libraries right here. So if we come over to libraries and we say add elements, make sure that you've activated this and that you're the most up-to-date version of this program so that you can see this, okay? So if we wanted to come over here and extract from image, if we press that right there, it's going to bring up a new window for us. And this is so awesome. I love this. So basically what we can do now is we can create our own, it's like a little kaleidoscope, but it's our own little prints. And this shows us the full repeat as it lays itself out. So we have a default pattern here, which is this little triangle, but you could also do it as a line. So if your scale's a little off, you want to come out like, how cool is that? I'm going to save that one. So let's say, maybe we want to zoom out. This is going to make an epic pillow, right? And then we could just kind of mess around with the exact same colors and start to create all of these little collection series, all based off this one palette. So if we want to pull back and get a little bit more pink, there we go. Right. This one is more of like the tile repeat. So if it actually is a seamless texture, you might have better luck here. What I'm using is not a seamless texture exactly. So that's why I'm finding that, doing something like this and then just messing around with the rotation of it all or the scale, it's producing some pretty epic patterns here that I can then use in my clients' projects for pillows or accessories and blankets and whatever else. This is actually for a chair that I'm working on printing at the moment for myself through my private label company. So this is also giving you the core hex codes right here too. If you wanted to save any of these for later, you would be able to come over and do that or copy them from here. This is also where you can come to create beautiful gradients and pull from the colors and the selections in this library as well. You can also add text here if that's something that you wanted to include. But I just love this pattern portion. And then when you're ready, you just come back here and they've started saving to like your library. So you can come right back over here with everything that you just saved and it'll apply it to the full image for you. So it's all laid out. Here, let me hide that guy. Oh, it's on my other screen. Sorry. There we go. So I can hide that. We'll hide that. But look, it applies. And then we can kind of zoom in on this pattern a little bit more. Isn't that gorgeous? So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm even going to go upscale it a little bit further in that Topaz AI image upscaler, just so that I can get the highest quality of this print. But then I can print this out. I can add scale to it so that when I'm sending it to one of these printing companies, now they know exactly what I'm looking for as far as the scale goes. Isn't that awesome?